Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, billing enabled and the right IAM roles so you can create networking and backends. Once done, provision instance groups or managed instance groups with startup scripts so they serve traffic. Make sure each VM responds to the health check path, otherwise the balancer won't route to it. Next, reserve a static external IP and pick the load balancer type. HTTP, S for web, TCP/SSL for non-HTTP services, because that decision governs front-end configuration and certificates. Now you configure the backend service and attach your instance groups or any G endpoints. This links compute to the balancer. Make sure health checks match your app. Use the correct protocol, port, and path, because failing checks remove instances from rotation. Once healthy, tune balancing mode and capacity settings to control how traffic is split and enable connection draining to gracefully finish in-flight requests. Also, add a CDN or Cloud Armor policy if you need caching or WAF protection before creating the front end. Finally, set up the front end. Create a URL map for routing, configure a target proxy, bind the reserved IP with a forwarding rule, and attach SSL certificates for HTTPS so clients connect securely. Then test end-to-end with curl and browser checks while watching backend health and load metrics. If things go wrong, first verify firewall rules and that health check endpoints respond. Next, check SSL hostnames and instance tags. If you still see issues, rotate through logs and the health check response body to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.